Hi everyone, welcome to Art Tech. So today we've got the Freebeat magnetic foldable exercise bike, and to keep today's video short, we're just going to go ahead and do a simple unboxing. Later on, we'll go ahead and do a follow-up setup video of the exercise bike, and while we're doing the unboxing, we'll go ahead and have some features and specs of this bike scrolling down the side of the screen. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box up and let's see how they ship it. All right, so let's go ahead and get everything out of here. All right, looks like I finally got everything out of the box. Okay, so this is everything that you get in the box right here. You got some assembly that is going to need to be required. It doesn't look like it will be too bad, really. And you have the main unit, you got your stands, you got the little display, got the handlebars, got your seat. Looks like this is going to be your seat mount. You got all your screws and everything that you need in here. Got your foot pedals. This is going to be the bar that holds the computer. This is going to be the bar that holds the seat. Got your batteries and your instruction manual. So all in all, it's really not too bad. It looked like it would be a lot more work just looking at it in the box, but once you got everything out, it doesn't look too bad at all. But like I said, to try to keep this video as short as possible, all we're going to do is just the unboxing in this particular case. We will go ahead and do a follow-up video of the assembly of this bike, so please stick around for that. And in the meantime, if you guys have any questions about this Freebeat exercise bike, please feel free to ask in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And in the meantime, hope you guys have a great day. Y'all stay safe out there.